Welcome back, Devils. In this week's episode, we'll be talking about things like Fall Fest, college rep visits, and butter braid sales. Today, Friday, October 3rd, 2025. Welcome back. I'm DJ.
And I'm Ava. And welcome back to this week's episode of Blue Devil Weekly.
Let's jump into it and let's talk about those senior butter braids.
Yesterday, October 2nd, we had our butter braid kickoff meeting. Buy some butter braids for your favorite seniors and support our class.
Are you a fall person? So am I. Get ready for Fall Fest. Fall Fest will be held in downtown Winchendon from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hope to see you there.
Now it's time to toss it over to sports for the latest sports news.
Thanks, guys. Last week, the varsity football team won 14-0 against Southbridge. Nate Tete started off the scoring with a rushing touchdown, then Gabe Rodriguez had the two-point conversion. Later in the fourth, Leah Murphy had the final touchdown, making it 14-0. Today, they play David Prouty away at 6:30.
Wasn't that our second win of the season?
2 in a row.
Very nice. Field hockey beat Bay Path last Friday, 1-0, but unfortunately lost Monday's game 2-0 against Gansett.
Golf team lost to Quabbin 29.5 to 24.5, but ended up beating Maynard 42-12. They have matches Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday that'll be covered next week. Cross country had a tri-meet at Maynard and lost. Their next meet's going to be on Thursday. That'll also be covered in next week's episode.
Saturday, the girls' soccer team took a very tough loss to Wachusett 7-0. On Tuesday, they beat Keith Tech by a score of 5-0. Lily Lee had a hat trick, while Kevin Lockman and Shannon Conley had the other two goals. Next Tuesday, they play Quabbin away at 3:30.
Very nice, very nice. Now, baseball postseason.
Baseball!
The Red Sox clinched the series in a wild card spot against the Yankees. They beat the Yankees in their first game of the wild card.
Garrett Crochet's a dog.
Cubs beat the Padres, their first game of the wild card. The Reds squeaked by in the postseason, but they lost to the first game of the Dodgers 10-5. And the Tigers barely beat the Guardians in their first game of the postseason.
I'm interested to see how the rest of the postseason goes, definitely.
Go Sox.
Go Sox. Pats beat the Panthers Sunday 42-13. They play the Bills next Sunday, October 5th.
Go Pats.
I'm a Bears fan, personally.
Get out of here.
Oh my gosh. And that's it for this week. Back to you guys at the desk.
Thanks, guys. Are you ready for scare season? Get ready for Haunted Hallways. Haunted Hallways is October 18th from 6 to 8 p.m. If you are interested in getting involved, see your class advisor.
Attention all students. Yearbook is holding a contest to design the yearbook cover. The theme is movie/Netflix. Any form of artwork is allowed, including photography. More information is posted to your Google Classroom.
Let's get a move on and toss it over to the folks at Question of the Week.
Welcome back to Question of the Week. I'm Casey.
I'm Danny, and the question of the week is, if you had one superpower, what would it be?
Super strength.
I think flying would be a good superpower because I could get where I want to go a lot easier.
All right.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
I would have to say flight, so I could get anywhere around I want. No traffic.
Telekinesis. Okay.
Teleportation. To fly.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
I'd love to fly like the birds.
Teleportation.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
Immediate teleportation.
Flying, for sure.
Bending reality to my imagination.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
I would have teleportation.
I would have unlimited money.
Probably the ability to like spawn in food whenever I want, like bah, McChicken, bah, hamburger, whatever.
Okay. Untraceable DNA and invisibility.
Word.
Probably invisibility or like stop time.
I would pick teleporting.
Flying.
That's it for the question of the week.
Thanks, guys. DJ, what would be your superpower?
I think I would have to choose time travel. Like, I've done so many embarrassing things in my life. If I could just go back in time and not do them at all, that would be great. That would be awesome. What superpower would you have, Ava?
I think I would do teleportation because then if I want to go anywhere, I can just teleport. It would save so much time.
That is so true. That's so smart. I love that.
Homecoming is approaching. The homecoming dance is October 25th. Make sure to ask that special someone to Hoko. Don't waste any time.
Do you want to be a part of putting together events like homecoming? Come to Student Council. Meetings are Wednesdays after school in Mrs. Rondeau's room, room 228.
Next week, there will be a yearbook meeting after school on Tuesday in Miss Beacott's room 232. There will be a Save Promise Club meeting during lunch on Thursday in room 141. Get involved in your school community and make some connections.
With that out of the way, let's hand it over to our personal favorite segment to Blue Devil Weekly, Levi's Lunchbox.
Welcome back to Levi's Lunchbox. I'm Holly.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Ron.
And this week it's sweet versus sour.
We're going to be tasting agua pepino
and strawberry mango fruit punch.
Here are our ingredients. We are going to slice strawberries and we're going to have 2 cups of that. Then we are going to dice our mangoes. We're going to need a half a cup. Then we're going to need 1 cup of mango orange juice. Then 1/4 cup of honey. Then we're going to put all of our ingredients together. We are going to blend it until it is smooth. Then we're going to take half of that juice and put it in there, half of Sprite. Then we're going to mix it together. And I added ice, but you don't have to if it's already chilled.
Today, we're making agua pepino, a cucumber lime drink perfect for after games. First, cut the ends off of your cucumbers, peel them, cut them into small pieces so your blender can handle it. Then, cut 4 limes in half and squeeze your lime juice into the blender. Add 4 cups of water, honey, maple syrup, and mint if you want. Once all of those are in your blender, blend until liquid. Once it is liquid, put into a strainer, into a container of some sort. Strain your liquid so you get all that nasty stuff out. Make sure all your liquid is out of the strainer. Then add a lot of ice, a lot of water, and about 4 tablespoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you want it. Once it is mixed, make sure you get all the liquid out of your strainer. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar, some extra limes, then pour it into a cup.
Okay, agua pepino.
Okay, it's very yellow.
Can I try and drink pee?
It smells very cucumbery.
Yeah.
It's actually, it's not as bad as I thought.
It's very mild tasting.
It doesn't have any, it's not sour. It's
a little bit at the end, like at the back.
It tastes like cucumbers.
It's pretty mild.
I heard it was supposed to give you a whole bunch of electrolytes. So after like a sports game, you drink this, you'll be set for life.
Okay. Should we try the next one?
I think so.
Okay, strawberry mango fruit punch. It smells very fruity.
Ooh.
Now this one is actually sweet.
It's a little fizzy.
I can taste the seeds, but it's all right. It tastes great.
You can taste the seeds.
Yeah, you see the seeds? The strawberry seeds for the strawberry mango fruit punch.
Okay, are you tasting them with your eyes? Okay, I think this is delicious.
This is much better.
Would put me in a diabetic coma, but delicious. I mean, this is also tasty, just much more mild tasting.
It's definitely not sour though.
Jack drank his whole thing. Am I supposed to drink the whole thing?
No.
Oh, because I didn't do any sportsing today, so. All right, are we saying what we like better?
Yeah, I think I'll go first. I think,
Okay.
you know, I really thought from the start that I was going to pick Kylie Ann's drink. And then after drinking Papa Kikopopo.
Agua pepino.
Agua pepino?
Yeah, pepino.
Capiche. I had some of this, and it was great. And as you can see, I finished the whole thing. And, you know, I feel like I'm not going to have to drink water for the rest of the day. So I'm going to go with Levi.
Okay. I think this is the first week where I am not voting Levi.
Really?
It doesn't. It just doesn't taste good. It's not sour. Kylie's is sweet. It tastes good. I would drink this.
Kylie. For me, I guess what I'm drinking it for, if this was for after sports, it does taste more like an electrolyte drink, like Gatorade type of thing. But I personally am a lover of sweet, so I'm going to vote the strawberry mango.
All right. Well, I guess Kylie Ann wins this week.
Congrats, Kylie.
Yay.
Now we're going to send it on back to the studio.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, guys. I didn't really try Levi's Agua Pepino drink, but all I know was that Kylie Ann's mango strawberry fruit punch was delicious.
I wish I was there. Levi finally got beat at his own game.
That's right. Are you still looking for the college for you? No worries. We'll be having multiple college rep visits next week. Monday, October 6th at 10:30, we'll be having a college rep from UMass Lowell visiting the school.
On Friday, October 10th, we have 2 college reps visiting us. At 10:30, we will be having a college rep from MCLA visiting us, and at 11:30, we will have a college rep from Stonehill visiting us. If you are interested in any of those, visit the guidance office to sign up.
With those announcements done and over with, let's hand it over to our weatherman, Colton, for the weather.
Happy Friday, everyone. It's Colton, Murdoch's meteorologist, and welcome to October. Let's look at this week's upcoming forecast. This week will be pretty boring, but today we'll have a high of 68 and a low of 43. It'll be sunny all day. On Saturday, it'll warm up to a high of 76, and at night we can expect a low of 48, and it'll be clear all day. Sunday will be the warmest day this week with a high of 79 and a low of 50. Again, sunny all day. Monday after school, the high will be 78, and temperatures at night will drop to 52 degrees. Tuesday will be our last sunny day for a while. The high will be 77, and it'll be a low of 50. And as the forecast continues to change more drastically, we'll expect it to get colder from here. With that out of the way, I'm going to throw it to you guys in the studio.
Thanks, Colton. That'll be it for this week's episode of Blue Devil Weekly. Make sure to stay caught up by following us on all socials, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at MurdochHS.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything from us. And with that, we'll see you all next week.
Have a great weekend.